What's going on, folks? It's your man Jay Will. So I am back with the first or second video on the LG Think or ThinQ, however you want to pronounce it. Gonna show you how I'm getting ready to outfit this bad boy with a tempered glass and a case for now. This is just temporary until I get some things worked out. But I do have a tempered glass that I'm gonna throw on here. Hopefully I'll be grabbing that white stone dome pretty soon. But this is Poetic setup right here. I like this. Easy setup here. We're gonna get this thing cleaned off and cleaned up. Let's see what we got here. We got a microfiber cloth, obviously. Yeah, man, I should have grabbed this a long time ago. Man, this thing is a beast. I've been playing with it as soon as I got it out of the box, man. I got an update. If you saw in the unboxing video, I got an update. The camera now does 4K at 60 FPS. Yeah, it only does it for 6 minutes, but I guess that's just how it's gonna be. Sorry if you see some focus hunting on here. Let's get this thing cleaned off. I mean, this is just wonderful, folks. Wonderful. If ever I was happy to pick up a device, this is probably another great deal on the internet. I mean, $450, $449 through Project Fi, and you can just activate service for 30 days or however long you want to activate it, or you can stay on Project Fi, but there's no clause to where you have to keep their service to get the discount. You just need to activate it within 30 days, and then 30 days later, you can shut it off if you want to. But I've always had Project Fi. I just didn't have a Project Fi phone. You know what I'm saying? So I'm good now. Trying to get this as clean as possible, and this time I'm getting ready to go over it with the with this joint right here to make sure that I get as much as I can. I normally don't do this, but after my Galaxy Note 9 blunder with my tempered glass, I was a little perturbed. That bubble, it didn't get on my nerves, but you know what I'm saying, I had to I had to live with that. So now hopefully I don't have to do that, because I believe this screen protector right here covers the entire screen. It's not one of those ones where it's just stick to the edge. So let's go here. Alright. Make sure we get all of the dirt, because I'm going to be frustrated if I mess around and have some lint up under here. Got to lift it up, get my grip on, the screen up. It already started to seal. I was getting ready to move it down a little bit, but I guess that's gonna have to work. So you just let it do its thing. You can help it a little bit if you want to. It'll seal up. It better seal up. Nah, this is a hot look right here, man. This phone is just a beast of a phone, man. All those bubbles and stuff will come out. I'll work with that later on the video, but let's get it in this case. I got the Guardian, obviously, like I said. You know, the Guardian, you can get it with a tempered glass. At the gray joint. I probably won't keep this phone in a case, but just having a little bit of protection to begin with, you know what I'm saying, is always good. I can take this out. Get this joint. Come on, man. Come on out from around there. Oh man, I'm tripping. Yeah, I know how to work the Guardian. There we go. I was about to say, man, got me bugging in, making me feel like I don't know what I'm doing. Let's turn it off. So as you can see, lines up perfectly. And like I said, I do have a battery case coming from Zero Lemon, because I wanted to try that out. I don't know how the battery's going to be on here. I've heard it's pretty good without it though, but people who have the Zero Lemon case said that the Zero Lemon case was fire. So I was like, you know what, I'm going to go ahead and grab it. So anyway, man, here's the unboxing and installation of the temper with the case. I didn't speed it up or anything. I normally speed up these videos, But you know what I'm saying, I just decided to go ahead and run it through. I like that this sticks to the entire screen of the phone or whatever, but bumpy camera here, doesn't look it. You know, these bubbles might get to me after a while, so because there's a lot of them on here, but it's only like that when the screen is off. But and it's about protection. So anyway, here's the case right here. You can see how they have the cutout right here on the back. See the little logo, all the ports and everything. It's gone. We own. Nice access to the joint right there. And this Google Assistant thing, I keep hitting that button. All right, there it is. It feels good, man. This is a lightweight case, man. This joint is lightweight. Anyway, man, there it is. This is your man Jay. Got the tempered glass in the case working right now. I'll see y'all in the next video. Deuces.